Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. I know we call this helmet graphic of the week, and we're not even close to doing this every week, but I can promise you that inside of the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, I have something spectacular for you today. Feel like a broken record every time we do these graphic videos, but here it is. It is the HJC RPHA 1N Fabio Replica helmet. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Love the Monster logo on the side. I'm a big fan. I drink a lot of Monster. I had a 2X today. It was amazing. And just because Fabio's getting his butt kicked right now in MotoGP doesn't mean this helmet isn't still amazing. It ships complete with the optional rear spoiler, right? This is meant for super high speed operation. Also looks badass when you put it on. It's clear, so when you stick it on the back of the helmet, you can still see through to the graphic. The packaging I also felt was pretty noteworthy. I'll show you that. You know you're a badass. You know you're a champion when they put your number on the box. Kick-ass helmet graphic of the, well, month-ish. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com.